Okay, so we're gonna watch this video of me walking through a town in Manchester. See if you can work out which town it is. Now, I want you to look at this through the context of somebody that has never been to Jamaica before and has these ideas, what they're told from the mainstream media about how safe it is in Jamaica, okay? So, other than just sampling the electric atmosphere and the wonderful vibes of a Jamaican town first thing 9 a.m. on a Monday morning, just want you to think about what it's like walking
Where's your foot?
and just going about your day. So we've left the car, got out of the car, walking past the first juicy patty. There'll be plenty. You can see there's people. He's got a barrow, a wheelbarrow. You can see that we're walking kind of between the shops and the road. There's no pavement in this bit. You need one right there in the town. There's a lot of hustle and bustle going on. There's a lot of people moving around. So I'm just going past various shops, people walking past us. Nobody's batting an eyelid. Obviously you've got the kids in tow and the cars are quite close, so you've got to pay a little bit of attention to that. Usually you want them over towards the pavement, but you can see here that there's people loading stuff from their vehicles, from vans into the shops for the week ahead. You can see that people are getting their working week ready, they're getting their shops ready. And you can see as we weave through the town, there's lots going on. You've got street vendors, you've got fruit and veg stalls. Obviously there was a lot of oranges available at this time a couple of weeks ago when we did this video. So we're kind of going on one side of the cars, moving back to the other side of the cars. Not really that much to report other than the fact that there's lots of people going about their business. You can see that there's still a beating heart and there's still the soul of the place is still there. So in England, the UK, most main streets, high streets, we say the high street is dead. In Jamaica, the high street is well and truly alive and thriving. It's buzzing, it's electric with human soul and activity. It's wonderful. If you come from England and you crave the kind of real soul of the place, the culture is still extremely alive, then you will love Jamaica. Also, it's not overwhelming. What I can liken it to, obviously, if you know like Peckham or Brixton in London, it kind of feels a bit like that. Because not just because of the people, just the vibe, the feel. People are in the street, people are doing business, people are, going about their day. They're not tucked up at home on the internet doing an online shop and just, and I love it. It's not overwhelming as well. There's a lot going on in the Jamaican high street, but once you get used to it, it feels great. Look, there's a guy there selling coconuts, obviously. Coconuts in blender, which are everywhere. You just roll up to the guy, say, hi, can I have a coconut? Chop, 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 boom. You can drink it right in there, you can take it home. after you finish drinking the coconut, you usually chop up the coconut and then you can eat the flesh out of the coconut. And last time I think charged me £2. So for like 100% that's organic. It's as fresh as it can possibly be. So here we are going into the shop, just for a few little bits and bobs.
Ooh.
It's cool, you know. It's really cool. It's really alive.
Right.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
And look, do the kids seem? How do the kids seem? Does little Hazel look like she's not comfortable? Theo always has that look on his face, to be honest. He kind of has a bit of a little.
Just slow down because she's slipping all over the...
Hazel wants
Are you okay?
some
Your
goodies.
trousers are alright?
She's very licky, I believe the correct terminology is. That little girl of mine. She's not one to turn down a snack or a treat. You might notice the elbows have gone out on my t-shirt. I've had a few comments, fair enough. When we came, first
Go
came,
on before a car runs you
weren't
go.
any of these like holes in my arms, but there is now. If you notice, I've cut the actual the sleeve part off the arm now. But anyway, yeah, getting back to the actual vibe of the place. Is anybody paying me the slightest bit of attention? Is anybody fussed or even care that someone who's clearly a foreigner is bopping down the high street? No one's batting an eyelid. No one's giving me a second look. No one's interested. They're doing their own business. They're not bothered. It's totally calm. NCB. This is a major bank in Jamaica. This geezer needs a belt.
Mind your feet, T.
KFC, place to be. What can I say about KFC? The undisputed king of the fast food restaurant industry in Jamaica. Set me straight if that's not correct, but that's what I've been led to believe. Every lunchtime there's a queue. If you want my personal opinion, I'm not looking for any endorsement here. This is just my opinion. My favourite, easily the best food, in my humble, very insignificant opinion that no one gives two hoots about, is Island Grill. Look, they need to franchise Island Grill in the UK, okay? Because I'm telling you right now, Island Grill should be everywhere. It's just fantastic for the money as well. It's like, in English money, it's like £7, okay? And you can feed like 2 people with 1 portion of Island Grill, man. So anyway, it's not really about the portions of Island Grill, it's just the actual quality of the chicken and the food. But yeah, Island Grill all the way. So we're moving around. You can see that the town is an incredibly interesting and bustling place of commerce. This is 9 a.m. just after on Monday morning. it's not too sleepy, is it? There's people. Which you don't see in the UK. Have you ever seen that movie, Sexy Beast? There's a bit at the beginning which is talking about these sooty, grimy, miserable people shuffling about. And that does really kind of sum it up. Well, it's not like that in Jamaica.
Thanks.
See me stand up down there so you can make the taxi go and lift me. I want you some man.
Some taxi cab trouble. We actually bought a Nissan AD wagon, and I hadn't realised that they were used so much as cabs, taxis, and every single time I'm driving in the cab, in the car, people are flagging me down everywhere we go now. Flagging me down as if I'm a taxi driver. The other day we were up in Clarendon near Kellis, and we were going up this mountain road, and we got to the top. This woman flagged me down, was flagging me down, and it was up a mountain, and I just thought, and I stopped the car. We gave her a lift down the road. Funny thing was, we weren't actually that close to where we were going, but apparently she knew someone we were going to see. So that was nice. Nice lady. I'm glad we stopped. I just thought, I can't leave her. She thinks I'm a cab. So anyway, do you think, honestly, guys, if you're watching this from the UK, or you're watching this in the States, or you're watching it wherever, look at the video. At any point in there, did it seem as if that was nothing but a pleasant walk down a bustling high street? What's your opinion? Do you think that looked anything other than a pleasant stroll down the high street on a sunny Monday morning at 9 a.m? You be the judge. What do you think? Do you think that, would you have walked down that high street? Because what you're told and shown and the reality of what it's like outside of the resorts are two different things, okay? So, my experience has been nothing but welcoming. So